well. The customer no longer is happy with just having different product. They're interested in the experience. But the other way to compete is on price. And of course, the value retailers have been doing really well out there, but that's the name of their business. They're a price player. For somebody like us at Chico's, understanding how to compete on price is very critical. The problem is it's not one size fits all. We have a range of products, and it doesn't help to just say, well, everyday low price is the way we want to go. We don't want to end up doing what JCPenney did a few years ago and just lower all our prices. So we have to really understand the role of different products in the assortment, and therefore how we will price those and differentiate the price. I'll give you some examples. It doesn't make sense to just lower the price on fashion, because we go and buy a whole lot of fashion product, and as much as I keep telling the merchants to only buy stuff that sells, they keep buying some stuff that doesn't sell. So the problem is we don't know, we're using a little bit more science to understand, but we don't know definitively which items are going to sell or not sell. So if we price them all lower, we're going to lose some margin and revenue on those items we underpriced and shouldn't have. So we would rather price fashion products a little bit higher, and then as we start seeing the performance, we'll lower the price on the ones that we need to liquidate, and we'll milk the margin. The customer will pay us for fashion that they want. So that's an example of where a high-low strategy makes a lot of sense. We see that sometimes price is the proxy for quality. So just lowering the price, often if you're selling a $60 garment for $30, the customer thinks I'm getting a $60 garment for $30. If you just lower the price to $30, and we're a private label vertical retailer, they come in and they think they're getting a $30 garment for $30. We don't have brand, or we don't have an international brand on our product as the proxy for the quality of the product. So sometimes price gets misinterpreted for quality. So we've got to be careful that we don't lower the price and the customer comes in and says, I'd rather give you $30 for a $60 item than $30 for a $30 item. But there are other instances where you have to lower the price. If we were selling ketchup, Heinz ketchup, we can't say, well, our Heinz ketchup's better than your Heinz ketchup, so we price it higher, but don't worry, we'll discount it. And we have those things in our assortment as well. They are very comparable products, although they're not identical because we're not selling the same brands. The products have the same attributes as other people's products. So those items, we would want to be more of an everyday value and an everyday low price. So what I'm trying to articulate here is it's not a one-size-fits-all, and you have to make decisions on which items should be high-low, which items should be everyday low price, and how should we price them. What's happening today is there's a need and there's an emergence of analytics to help us make those decisions, because we understand the issue, but figuring out how to price things is not that simple. So using tools like a First Insight and others helps us understand which pricing strategies we should include on which products.